Shout out to you, Ladybug Bethany. Ladybug B Loves Life. This is coming out from the I Love Lisa Michelle show and my little LiChellians. Look at the camera. Hello, hello, hello. Greetings, greetings, LiChellians. Welcome back to another episode of the I Love Lisa Michelle show. Starring me, your Ladybug, Lisa Michelle. And I've got my grandchildren here and my nephew. My nephew is all the way to my left. His name is
RJ.
And what grade is he in?
3rd.
And how old is he?
9.
And I've got my grandson. Tell him your name. Look at the camera, y'all. Zaire. And he's 4. He's in pre-K. And I have my granddaughter.
Scara.
Yay! And how old is she?
5.
5. And what grade is she? Kindergarten. Yay, kindergarten. So I got my grandkids here. This is from my son, DeMonte. This is my nephew, my husband's brother, RJ Reginald. Shout out to you. So today, y'all, we're doing collabs, kids edition style. Look at the camera, y'all. We're doing kids edition style on the I Love Lisa Michelle show. Look at the camera. And what we're going to be doing is we got some cup of noodles, y'all. Y'all help your cup of noodles. Hold them up. We got some noodles. Hold up your noodles. You just two hands. Y'all, we got some cup of noodles. Are these good, y'all? Yum. We're going to put them down. Yeah, so what we got? They got their display of their books. My grandson, y'all see what he got on? He what do you have on, grandson? What do you have on? What's that shirt on your shirt? Look at the camera.
Dog.
What's called?
A dog.
That's a shark. But what's on your shirt though? PJ, is that PJ Maxx?
No.
No.
Patrol.
Oh, what is it? Puppy?
Patrol.
Pup Patrol. Is that right?
Paw Patrol.
Oh, Power Patrol.
No, Paw Patrol.
Oh, she's like Paw Patrol, right?
It's Paw Patrol.
Oh, okay. Y'all, they telling me right, cause y'all know, Granny sure don't know, and I am Granny and proud to be up it. So y'all, she got her little cell phone, y'all. Show me your cell phone. Show me your cell phone, Zaza. Show LiChellians your cell phone. Look. Yep, and they got their little cups, y'all. They got their little. Look what they got. Y'all see what they got on their head? They have their lights. Turn it on, turn it right back off. You turn it on, and then turn it right back off. Oh, turn it off, Scara. Turn yours on, Zaza. Let them give you on one. They trying to work it out. The sister trying to help brother. Oh boy, brother don't want sister to help him.
Right there.
Push it. Yay, there you go. Turn it upside. Yeah. So if it gets dark and we go camping, they can see in the camp. We can have us a camp. That's his shop, y'all. That's what we got. I'm gonna give my nephew one too in a minute. Y'all, you see they got their little stuff is here. Their little games and things like that. So there's Gigi, which is my mother. Shout out to my mom, Miss Mary. Shout out to her. Yeah, Miss Mary is Gigi to you. Gigi. So y'all, we're gonna pray over our food and we're gonna I didn't pray myself last time. We're gonna pray over our food and we're gonna get to eating our noodles. And we got some meatballs, right? We got some meatballs I love so much. Yep, and I got some B Loves hot sauce on mine. I'm gonna get in a minute on Dick. So who wanna pray? Anybody wanna pray? Yay! Come on, I'm gonna let Zaire pray because he pray his hand up. Put your hands down. But y'all, I'm gonna pray. Say your prayers. Say grace. Come on, Zaire. Go ahead, Scara.
I don't know what it is.
You just said who said they want to pray? Go ahead, RJ.
I said I want to
I'm telling you to down.
Okay.
I'm listening. Out loud.
God, thank you for putting the food on the table and putting food on my back.
Oh my God.
And shoes on my feet. Amen.
In Jesus' name, amen. We're gonna put this down so they can see us eat our food because this is a eating show. It's an eating show. How y'all doing today, LiChellians? And what y'all eating on with us? RJ, you could push that down. Okay, they can't see your food. It got a little, that's fine. Okay, now you can see everybody's food. Yep,
They're
yep.
already eating.
Yeah, I said go ahead and eat.
Oh.
Say hi, y'all. Look at the camera, y'all.
My food already.
We got some water here.
Just do it.
Yum, 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 yum. Look at the camera. How y'all doing today? Y'all doing good? What y'all eating on with us? Y'all pause the video and y'all go and get y'all a cup of noodles and come back and eat with us. Y'all, these cup of noodles are like 25 cents or something or less at Walmart. Okay? Okay. Do it, nephew. Oh, say it loud. Do it loud and clear. Hey, I heard my nephew over there. Mm-hmm. It's hot?
No, look. Yeah.
Oh. You like your noodles, Zaza? You got chicken flavor. And me and my nephew got the spicy chicken flavor. And they got regular chicken flavor. Oh. Okay, hand me that. B-Love's hot sauce. Oh, it's in the corner. That's good. It's too hot. It's hot and heat. It's not hot and spicy.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
It is
It's good, Zaza?
yeah, with the corn.
Huh?
I like it with this corn.
With the corn?
Yeah. I mean, yes.
Mm-hmm. Is that good, Kyra King? Mm-hmm. Y'all, we hungry too. Y'all don't know, even adults like this meal. I love these noodle things. Mm-hmm.
It's cup noodles.
Well, cup of noodle.
Like this, 1 to 10. I give it an 8.
Mm. I bit my tongue. Y'all. Mm. It's my grandson. Get it, grandson. He's doing like this here. Y'all see me and my granddaughter? We have our almost the same colors on. Got our little blue. Hey. She got on her little ring, her jewelry, her necklaces, her bracelet. I see my baby's Afro puffs. She ride rough and tough with her Afro puffs. Mm.
You see all that smoke?
Yeah, this is my nephew. He got a meatball on top of his fork and some noodle. Mm-hmm. The good side is out.
Yeah. You get a lot.
Hmm?
You get a lot.
You got a lot? You want to pull it towards you? Look at him. Let me put your hat right here.
You want your meatballs in your TV?
You want your meatballs out?
Mm-mm.
You don't want your meatballs. You can have if you want to, RJ. Mm. Yeah, I'm super hungry. You got something to drink? A little bit? RJ, you must do your splash. You got lemon splash water.
That's good. I say like juice water.
Yeah, it's mixed with, your juice is mixed with water. Let me give you all that juice. All that sugar. This is the Raymond's Noodles Kid Mukbang.
Kids edition.
Kids edition, that's right. Mm-hmm. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, my grandson Zaire, he always mimics or marks everything that his sister says,
And you see
or what I say, or what
our birthday.
or RJ say, or what his mom Renee says, or his auntie Treasure, living life with T. Y'all know Treasure? Y'all shout out Treasure. Y'all say hey Treasure.
Hey, Treasure. Hey, T.
Hey T, there you go.
T.
What's up, baby?
What a baby.
And we gotta speak to Kelly. Hey, Kelly.
Hey, Kelly.
Mm-hmm.
Nice to meet you.
No, Kelly.
I love the baby.
Yeah, that's a baby.
Like this Treasure little baby. If it touched it right up in water. In water.
What you say? Is that you? Oh, that's the light from the door. Papa came in. Mm-hmm. I do. Papa want to stick his head in, Papa?
No.
Papa said no.
No.
Baby, they want you to say something to them.
No.
See, Zaire say yes.
It's good.
It's noodles good.
Yeah. Don't take one for the team.
Get in.
Scara,
Get
go
in,
take
baby.
one for the team.
The noodles good.
The noodles are good.
Go take one for the team. Comment, like, and share, and go take one for the team. Go take one for the team. Go take one for the team. You got comment, like, and share, and go take one for the team.
Hey.
Go take one for the team.
You know.
Go take one for the team.
Hey.
Comment, like, and share, and
Yeah.
go take one for the team.
Ah.
Zaire. Comment, like, and share, and
My
go
husband.
take one for the team.
My husband called Dream,
Go
bring him
take
back to the
one for
side.
team.
Come get your face in, baby.
No,
Okay, what? Zip it. He got to cut it.
I got a cut here,
Are you
y'all.
singing? You have to come
He in
in.
it. That's right. He gonna talk here in the video.
Are you singing? You have to come in here.
I got the cutty. Like that.
How you talk in front of
Mama,
video and you don't want to get in the video?
Oh,
I'm full, y'all. I'm through mine. I got like a little juice in mine, y'all. Look, LiChellians. Uh-oh, can't see. They can't see that.
I'm not even on that level.
You not on my level?
No.
I haven't eaten all day. Since y'all, we came from worship.
I'm running my chair. From church.
And, you don't fall off the chair.
Whoa.
All right. Come on. Hey, put your. Oh, you got it? Put your bum back son. Now, you all right? This ain't hurting your leg? Okay. Y'all, my husband made some spaghetti. He's made his famous spaghetti. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, y'all heard my grandson say yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Y'all, my husband preached the word today at our church. Y'all can go and check him out on Facebook at Times of Refreshing Praise and Worship Center. Oh boy.
It's hot.
You hot? We almost finished. Okay. RJ took up his hat. Don't turn that on, or baby. I'm talking about Zaza. Baby, can you give me some water?
Water? I'm getting full.
I had a.
Water?
It's in the freezer, I think.
You heard me?
Yeah.
Water?
Excuse me. Oh boy, thank you. She said, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
And RJ, not RJ. If you're full, you want to keep eating. Just let us sit there and talk to the people. Let's see what we can talk about. Do y'all know anybody who's having a birthday coming up anytime soon? Who?
Granny. Amy.
Me. Yes. When is my birthday? Y'all know?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Comment down below. Say happy birthday to you.
Yes. Yeah, he want to sing. He ready to sing the song. Yeah, this is what is it called? Clear American. It's orange
and
cream. Orange cream.
It looks like the chips. Orange is cream.
I'm gonna do my girls SisterFeFe Tyson's challenge to see how many times we can burp in 2 minutes. How to do that now while I'm sitting here? Let me see how many times. I put my timer on, but I don't have my. Oh, I can sit up here. So y'all, these children, y'all can start y'all. When I say go,
I already burped.
You can say, when you burp, you can say excuse me. When we say go,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
yay, 12. That's 12 disciples. So I'm gonna try to drink this not drink it for 2 minutes, but drink some gulps. And within 2 minutes, see how many times I can burp. So that way I can get SisterFeFe Tyson's challenge in. Y'all, this is challenge week. Because I don't want to do a video for just 2 minutes. So this is going to be within our kids edition mukbang. Raymond Noodles, Cup of Noodles mukbang. Okay, but when we burp, we're going to say excuse me. So when I say go.
Go.
14. Go.
Excuse me.
Say excuse me when you burp.
Excuse me. Excuse me. You're not paying attention.
Drink some more.
That's it. Excuse me.
She burped twice, y'all. I haven't burped yet.
Oh, Zaire. Excuse me.
She burped 3 times. To my 0.
You know, like the do not burp challenge is.
Wow, you burp a lot, girl. Oh, there I go. 2. Excuse me.
2 times. Excuse me.
Wow, I lost count, camera key.
You know it's not the do not burp. It's not the do not burp challenge.
This not to do that. This I say see how many times we can burp in 2 minutes. Okay, we'll come up. Stop, baby. Pick that up. Pick up your cup. Excuse me.
How many times she burped?
She burped way more than me.
I didn't even burp not 1 time. Excuse me. No, I didn't.
Oh boy, you can burp on cue. I'm gonna have like a little burper. Ooh, we cute. She had cutie pie too, y'all. She doing that burping. Oops, I burped too. My 3rd time.
My 0 time. Excuse me.
Ooh.
Excuse me.
How many times has she burped? LiChellians, little LiChellians. How many times has my granddaughter burped? Oops, I burped the silent one. That's how much time. I think time is coming up. Time, y'all. Time. That's 2 minutes. You beat. Oops, that won't count. It's out of effect. Stop, baby. What is my grandson doing? Y'all, so that's gonna, oops, she's still burping, y'all. So SisterFeFe Tyson, there's your challenge. Share it on every social media platform and subscribe so that you can become an official LiChellian. And ding dong ding. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be reminded of every time I upload a video. Okay? Be quick with it. La 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 la. La 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 la. All right, LiChellians. Wait, bye. Bye. See you later. We love you. Turn up. With the peace sign. Hey, peace, love, and oh, she did the dab. When dab, do it again. Oh, shit! Look, she hit her head. Don't hit your head, baby. Do it. Oh boy, she dab. Okay, y'all. They're gonna sing a happy birthday to me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you.
Me.
Happy birthday to you.
Me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Me. Yay. And many more. I hear you. And many more. All right, y'all. We're gonna don't forget anymore. We're gonna end this edition. Say bye. See you later.
Bye.
Say bye, RJ.
Comment down below. Say happy birthday.
All right. Say bye. Thank you. Say bye.
Bye. See you next time.
1, 2, 3, go.
What's up, my